Before we start, if you want to learn the kinds of skills that will stay valuable even in the age of artificial intelligence, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Here, we focus on practical ideas that help you grow, build real abilities, and prepare for the future. Technology is advancing quickly, and artificial intelligence is already changing many industries. It can write text, analyze data, generate images, and automate repetitive work. But there are still important skills that machines cannot fully replace. These are the abilities that rely on human judgment, creativity, and emotional understanding. If students focus on developing these skills, they will remain valuable even in a world filled with advanced technology. The first skill that AI cannot truly replace is creative thinking. Artificial intelligence can generate ideas based on existing information, but true originality often comes from human imagination and experience. Creative thinkers are the ones who invent new products, design unique brands, and build innovative solutions to problems. For example, entrepreneurs who create new business ideas or artists who produce original work rely on creativity that comes from human perspective and emotion. The second important skill is emotional intelligence. This is the ability to understand people's feelings and respond in the right way. Emotional intelligence helps in leadership, teamwork, and building strong relationships. A manager who understands the emotions of their team can motivate people, resolve conflicts, and create a positive working environment. AI can simulate conversation, but it does not truly feel or understand human emotions. The third skill is critical thinking. Critical thinking means analyzing information carefully and making thoughtful decisions. AI can process data very quickly, but humans must evaluate whether the results are logical, ethical, and meaningful. For example, a business leader must decide which strategy is best for long-term success, even when there are many uncertain factors involved. Another powerful skill is communication. Clear communication helps people share ideas, persuade others, and build trust. Whether it is speaking in public, explaining complex ideas, or negotiating with clients, communication requires human awareness and connection. Great communicators can inspire people and influence decisions in ways that technology cannot easily replace. The fifth skill is leadership. Leaders guide teams, motivate people, and create a vision for the future. While AI can help with planning or analysis, it cannot replace the human ability to inspire others. Strong leaders build trust, encourage collaboration, and help people work toward a common goal. Another important ability is strategic thinking. Strategic thinkers look beyond the present and plan for the future. They analyze trends, understand risks, and identify opportunities before others notice them. In business and innovation, strategic thinking allows people to create long-term success rather than short-term solutions. Finally, adaptability is one of the most valuable skills in a fast-changing world. Technology, industries, and jobs will continue evolving. People who can learn new skills, adjust to change, and remain curious will always stay relevant. Adaptability allows individuals to grow even when the world around them is constantly shifting. In the future, artificial intelligence will automate many routine tasks, but it will also increase the value of human abilities. People who combine technology with creativity, emotional intelligence, and strong communication will stand out the most. If you start developing these skills today, you will not only stay relevant in the AI era, but also create opportunities that machines cannot replace.